I only spend 3 hours a week learning Arabic. That's why I had to build something simple and consistent. I will show you exactly what I do step by step. My name is Souza. I'm trying to show my journey learning Arabic from nothing until I get fluent, because what I see on YouTube, most of the people, they're fluent, they're experts, they speak 6-7 languages before they learn Arabic. The first step that I do to learn Arabic, I need to go inside ChatGPT and create the text. And normally the text come like this. This is the new one. I'll talk about this in a minute. Once I have the texts, I will make sure that I read at least 3 or 4 times. Yesterday was super simple. I had only to print this page, and I like to print the day before, because like if I had to do it today, as I'm feeling so tired, I wouldn't do it. So it's very good when I come back from work and I already have this page, like, waiting for me. And then today it's super simple. I will spend like 30 minutes, 40 minutes max to review everything that is here. And also I'm gonna highlight the new words, because pretty much most of the words here I know, but there is around 15 words that I don't know. And to help with my pronunciation, I'm using, as you can see in my first video, I'm using the ChatGPT in the voice mode to help my pronunciation. And I already checked with my Arabic friends from Jordan, and they say it's okay, I can carry on doing that. In this case, I don't need for now to pay extra on iTalk and things like that, so I'm trying to make it free. After reading 3 or 4 times, what I do, I write. And I make sure I will write 3 times as well. Repetition is the secret here. Otherwise, if you do it only 1 time, you will forget. Believe me, all the words that I did only once, I forgot. I use this book as my first one to write. This is like where it's gonna get the ugliest letters. Because I already have the text, I will write here. This is the second one. And I also have a third one where I will write for the last time, and I try to make as good as possible. I'm not gonna say it's perfect, because definitely it's not perfect. Then my last step is using Notion. Inside the Notion, as you can see on the screen, I will have the vocabulary with all the words that I know. Yesterday I was calculating, and in the first 3 months, I'm in the 4th month now, I got a total of 116 words inside Notion. I probably know a little bit more. I'm trying to learn at least 1 word a day. But it doesn't mean that every day I need to wake up and learn a new word. No, it's not like that. What I do, in the text that I'm creating, I have at least new 15 words. I will spend 2 weeks reading and writing this text, repeating. And from that, I will know that I have 15 new words for the first 2 weeks of the month. And then I repeat it again with a new text and 15 new words. So I have every month at least 30 new words. Every single day in the morning. Guys, it's just my routine. I wake up straight away. I will make my breakfast and I put it on this cartoon that you can see on the screen. Best part of it is when I'm learning words right here, like let's say صباح الخير, صباح النور, كيفك اليوم, they will repeat the same thing in the cartoon. And what I'm gonna do, I will play back, repeat, just to make sure that my pronunciation from ChatGPT and from the cartoon is the same. Besides these 3 hours that I'm doing every week, I try to listen some podcasts, and I have this app, Kalila, I think that's the pronunciation, I'm not sure. But the app is so good to learn Levantine Arabic, because if you try Duolingo, honestly, get away from Duolingo, at least to learn Levantine Arabic. This app, you need to pay. I think it's the only thing that I paid lately to learn Arabic. I will keep uploading my videos, and very soon I will try to make one video speaking from my head, you know, fully in Arabic. I decided to learn Arabic from Syria, Jordan, and Lebanon, the Levantine one, because I went to Morocco, I went to Egypt, and I went to Jordan. Three completely different dialects. Honestly, Morocco would never be something that I would choose. I'm sorry, but it's so hard. They can't understand themselves because it's way hard. Egyptian is very good, but I didn't connect 100% with the Egyptian Arab. But with the Lebanese one, I gotta tell you, I'm very well connected. So that's why I decided to learn the Levantine Arabic. Please drop me a comment if you're learning Arabic as well, or if you have any question, I will be happy to answer. I also have a new profile on Instagram, and once I hit 100 new followers over there, I will start posting like daily. Like once I start writing and reading and repeating all these things, I will be posting over there. Make sure you subscribe, you like my video, because this is very useful. I know it is. And I hope to see you in the next one. Yalla bye. Wassalam.